In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a delivery note in Zoho Books, and we'll walk through this process step by step, making sure you feel confident in creating your very own delivery notes seamlessly. To start, you'll need to navigate to the Zoho Books website. Open your favorite web browser and type in the URL to reach the main page of Zoho Books. Once you've arrived on the homepage, you'll find various navigation options available to you, but for now, focus your attention on the upper right-hand corner of the page. You'll see a button labeled Sign In. Click on that button and it will take you to the Sign In page. Here you have a couple of sign-in options. You can enter your email and password directly if you already have your credentials handy. Keep in mind this is the email and password associated with your Zoho account. If you've forgotten your password, there is always an option to reset it. Just click the Forgot Password link and follow the instructions sent to your email. Alternatively, if you prefer using Google to sign in or find it more convenient, you have that option as well. Next to the email and password fields, there is a Sign In Using Google button. This option can be quite handy if you're already logged into your Google account on your browser. By clicking this option, you'll be able to choose the Google account associated with your Zoho Books. After selecting your email, you should be granted access to Zoho Books without much hassle. Once you've successfully logged in, it's time to head over to the dashboard. The dashboard serves as your primary control panel where you can manage your financial activities within Zoho Books. From this central hub, you'll have access to reports, sales, purchases, and more. For our purpose today, we're going to focus on the sales section. With the dashboard in view, look for the sales option on the navigation panel, usually located on the left side of the screen. Click on the Sales tab and it will bring up a list of sales related features. We're specifically interested in delivery notes today, which are an essential tool for tracking shipments or handing off goods to a customer. Delivery notes ensure both the seller and buyer have a record of goods dispatched or received, making them crucial for maintaining accuracy in business transactions. In the sales section, locate the delivery notes option, click on it, and this action will lead you to a dedicated page where you can manage all things related to delivery notes. Now you're ready to create a new delivery note. From this page, you'll notice an option, typically highlighted in a corner or as a floating button, to create a new delivery note. Click on Create Delivery Note. This will redirect you to a new form where you can enter all the necessary details for the delivery note you're about to generate. Fill in the required fields such as the customer's name, the date of delivery, and any other reference numbers that are pertinent to the delivery. It's also crucial to accurately list the items that are being delivered. Enter each item, along with quantities and any specific details necessary to ensure clarity. One helpful tip is to keep an eye on the fields provided and make sure that you aren't skipping any important section by mistake. It is these details that ensure the delivery note serves its purpose later in both record keeping and in any potential disputes over the transaction. Once you've filled out all required information, take a moment to review the details one more time. This is your chance to spot any errors or omissions. If everything looks in order, you can go ahead and save the note. Look for the Save button and click it to finalize your delivery note. And there you have it. You have successfully created a delivery note in Zoho Books. This process helps maintain professionalism by ensuring all your product deliveries are documented appropriately. Also, it provides a sense of security for both you and your customers, as every transaction is recorded and traceable. Thank you for following along, and remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use Zoho Books to manage your sales and deliveries, the more intuitive it will become. I hope this guide has been helpful and empowers you to handle your business more efficiently. If you have any lingering questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to explore Zoho's support options or community forums, which are rich with resources and insights from other users. Keep up the great work with managing your business, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy bookkeeping!